Right, thank you very much, Stephen, for sending me the Google Maps of this place, whatever it's called. But it's Waterfalls. Oh, Perigord, danger. Oh. So it's Popeth and or Yahoo. So it's this big watermill building and some falls, which look very nice. Wow, look at this water wheel. Some of the falls go down there on the bridge. So we're going to go and have a wander up here. There's a big water wheel. Right, back in a minute when we get to these falls that are over here. Once again, cheers mate, that is absolutely brilliant. Got some good spots on there. Thought we'd stop off. This is after the live stream of the metal detecting that finished because my charger fell out of the dash of the car. So the phone said no. But I did find a £1 coin and I did finish, would you believe, with a penny. So I was going to finish on that and a big old shout out to Digger One. Nice one, bruv. So more bloody steps. Got enough steps yesterday. Jacob's Ladder. So that's the water wheel. Got batties in here. Apparently stored the ore up in there. I think they ground it all up in that one. So let's have a look at these waterfall. Sounds good. Woo. There we go. Oh wow. There we have it. Very pretty. Wales does have some beautiful waterfalls. Find the pigs! Now you pause it and read whatever this is. Bit dark. Sorry. But it is getting dark. Yeah. So I think that building held the ore, so the iron ore, and us detectorists love iron obviously, so I wouldn't bother around here. And then they have it in the mill grinding, I suppose. I can't see them smelting it here. Any big maybe that's a big chimney stack. The sun is still shining across that valley there. Look at that. Pretty empty. Thieves beware, there's fuck all in here. And again, find the pigs! Oh dear. Well, cool. So yeah, this must have been where they cooked it all up. It's like an iron ore crack house. Wicked. Nice one. Alright, catch on another vid. Keep it real, people.